Here we go, Chef Jason, rocking out another 11-12 Panini Limited hockey box. Great. It's thick. Quite as thick as the last one, but no net presence. I'm going to call it Phenom Silver. All right, we've got a base card, number /299, Mason Raymond. Got a base card, number /299, Alexander Burmistrov. We've got a base card, number /299, Joe Mullen. We've got a Brothers in Arms, dual jersey, number /199, Martin Brodeur, Johan Hedberg. I was right. Number 31 of 49. Phenoms Silver Spotlight, rookie autograph, Cody Hodgson. Cody Hodgson, number /49. Seek. We've got a banner season jersey, number /99, Jerome Aginla. And we got a short print base card, number 37 of 99, Marc-Andre Fleury. And a Stanley Cup insert, number /199, Jean Beliveau. So there you go, buddy. Nice.